Yo, Cicero here. I'm going to be showing you how to make a cheesy sweet quesadilla. So, what you need is you need some sugar, some butter, some cheese, a quesadilla wrap. Any is fine. I've used quite a few different types of wraps. So you put a little bit of sugar in the middle, and whatever your preference of cheese, my cheese, American or any type of cheddar works really. So I already have my butter in the pan right here. It's been going for quite a bit. Oh, alright. So you wrap this like you'd wrap your paper in arts and crafts in school. So you'd wrap it like that, hot dog style, and then you'd wrap it like this. Make sure it's tight right here. Here's so none of the sugar leaks out. So then you'd shove it on the pan right there. And if the butter's already going, you have to watch it. Well, you watch it since the butter's already been going. You want to flip it a couple times. It's already a little bit cooked because the butter's already been sitting there. It's pretty hot. So you don't want to put too much, but on the sides you put a little bit of sugar. Here. Then you flip it. Then you do the same to the other side, but you let it sit for a little bit before flipping again. And watch to make sure it doesn't burn, because sugar has a tendency to burn really easily. So you want the sugar to have a nice glossy coating on the top, because that's how you know it's incorporated in. So, then you're going to like this, flip it up one more time, and that should be it. Just gotta get under it, flip it onto the plate, and that's the final product. I put the butter in for a little too long, but yeah, that's the final product. Hope you enjoy.